Rakesh. So since I have developed my application using Spring Boot and ReactJS and stock management system, now I'm starting migrating this application to Vue.js by using backend from Spring Boot. Uh, so here is, let me see the code. So as I developed it before in React.js, as the same way I have developed a Vue.js application in this uh, stock management system. So here I have in this app.vue, this is a main part of this application. So this defines the whether the website is authenticated or not. If it is not authenticated, it will move to the login. If it is authenticated, it will allows to render the header, sidebar, and footer, and the main part of the applications, main page of the applications. So here I have developed 4 parts. So I have divided this page into 4. One is header, and one is sidebar, one is footer, and the main part. So this is the styles of the layout, the sidebar, header, and so let me see the header. In this header part, I have created 5 buttons like products, customers, sales, and sales invoice, and then login. So for the 4 buttons like products, customer, sales, and sales invoice, I have created a method like update sidebar. So this update sidebar is regarding to the part of sidebar. So while clicking any button from this header, the sidebar will render some options regarding to the button we clicked in the header. So if I click the products, it will render some options in the sidebar like add products, view products, search products, like that. And for customer, sales, and sales invoice, likewise as per the same manner. And then the sidebar, so this is defining the options to render in the sidebar according to the button name from the header. So if I choose products, it should render add product, search product, view all products. Likewise for customers, add customer, search customer, view all customers, customer sales, and then sales, add sales, view sales, total sales, sales report, and sales invoice, add sales invoice, view sales invoice, likewise. So I have created a method using case. So if the case is add customer, the root path is designed to designated to add customer, add icon customer. So I'm navigating each button from the sidebar. So if I click any button from the sidebar, the main layout will be rendered according to that options. So I'm navigating each and every button to certain page. So these pages are developed in the pages section. So in the pages section, we will have the main layout of the web applications like add customers, add sales, customer sales, product sales, invoice, like all the pages will be created here. So and for these applications, each and every application have developed CSS individually in the assets. So we can use a style scope using source tag. So all the pages are created here. So after creating, so we have to navigate each and every page according to the link above shown. So if it is a customer or add customer, the path will be add hyphen customer. So if the path is add hyphen customer, the component name will be the add customer. So we are navigating the link as per if it is this link is engaged, though this link will render the page from add customer.view. So this will directly get the content structure from the applications we have created as per the component names. So after this app view, as I said, so this will check whether the whole application is authenticated or not. If it is authenticated, it will render the web applications according to that. So let me see that applications in the as a demonstration. So now I'm starting the application npm. So before that, we have to make sure whether our backend is running in progress or not. So I have dockerized my backend Spring Boot applications. So I'm directly start running this application using Docker. So my engine is started running. So here I have a workspace like Spring application. So since I have created this application including React, so I am just only running the Spring and before that those ports are already running. So we have to end that. We have to stop the service. Yeah. Okay. So for the backend, I have started running my Spring application and MySQL database. So now we're going to do this. So for the first thing, it will render the login page. So since it is not authenticated, so we cannot render any application page using the link. Like if I'm adding a root path, it will not render since it is not authenticated. So we have to authenticate our webcam. So for this, we have to give some credentials. So if I'm giving any wrong credentials, it will render any invalid username. It will span the error message. So we have to give the actual user and password credentials as per we have given in the backend. So this is my application. So this is our UI of our application. So since as I said, I have developed 4 buttons like products, customer, sales, sales invoice, and then logout. This will after clicking those buttons, it will reflect in the sidebar. So if I click any buttons from header, the sidebar will render according to that button. So customers and sales invoice. So as per the domain we are clicking in from the header, the sidebar will show options according to that header, right? And since I have developed only customer and sales for the backend, so I have only written some pages for customers and sales only. Let me see the customers and sales part. So if I'm clicking add customer, so this will render the page to add customer. So this form shows like personal info, address, contact details of the customer. So after giving the details, it will directly go move to the database by using backend, and it will commit like it will save. So we can view after adding customers. So now I'm going to add some customer details of someone like some random name, gender. So I have some added some validations also here. So if the date of birth will not achieve 18 above, so this will no this form will be not submitted. So, and also in area, according to the area, according to the street, the area and city also will be automatically applied here. So if some area have same street names in different areas, so if we can change, we can also change according to that. And also I have added validations in my mobile number. So if you have any invalid mobile number or any invalid email, so it will span we have to enter at simple. This is it. So this will shows the customer name. Customer must be at least 18 years old. So for that we have to ensure that 18-year-old customer details. So I'm choosing the random database in 2002 and some random number in platform. So now the customer added successfully. So after added the customer detail, so if it is added, the message box will appear in the top like customer added successfully. So we can view the customer. So we have added the customer Abhinosh, his ID is 8. So we can view details here itself. Say he is 10/7/2002 born child from Shantikananagar. So we added details will be viewed here. So if you want to search any certain customers, we can search if I known ID like 8. So we can view here. So after viewing here, we can also edit this customer details by using edit options. So any changes we needed, so some mobile number change or date of death change, so we can change and update. So the customer updated successfully, right? And then we can view the customer again. So I have changed the mobile number at last. So we can see here the mobile number is changed. Before that, the last mobile number is 0. Now I have changed 5. The mobile number is changed. And then the customer sales. So each and every customer, how much they spend, the total amount they spend will be added and viewed here. So we can fetch how each and every customer how much they spent. And then the sales part, we can add any sales by choosing the customer. Okay, so now new customer we can choose. So today's date will be rendered automatically, and then the amount such as per the bill, any quantity, any products, so we can choose any amount and he paying using cash. That adds the delivery status and payment status will be added as a success. If it is failure, we can choose any failure. So the sales will be added successfully. So we can view sales here. The 852 by cash success, right? And then total sales. So this part is to choose the turnover of this store per month will be shown here. So as this is July 1, so today only one sale is happened, that is 852 by using cash, UPI and card something, right? And then the sales report. So this is a graphical view of the sales report. Since we have some sales in June month, so we can choose June. I think it's 23. Let me see. So in 23, 2 customers have paid and purchased some amount, and 24 there is no data available. In 25, 5 more customers have spent some amount like 2045, 1020, 850. So this is the sales part. And then the sales invoice also have added some buttons but not written any pages. And while clicking the logout, so it will automatically log out from the page. So after login and clicking logout also, we cannot enter into any page like giving a custom. So it will render only the authentication page like login page. So this is my applications I migrated to Vue.js by using Spring Boot application using Java. And thank you for this time. Thank you.